Hi, okay, welcome to the instructions video. Let me get you through this. So, first thing is we have two videos. This here is the first video in which we are going to cover the layout and the basics. This here is the second video in which we're going to cover the content. So as I said, we have a different we have a custom CMS which is pretty unknown. It's called Contao, like this, and we want you to get the page to be, we want the PSD to be converted to the Contao system so it can be used. Why are we doing this? I have a contact to a web design agency, and they use the system because it's native German and they use it throughout all their clients. So this is why we want to create a page on this system, so we can, I guess, fit into their approach and also get more work from them when doing successfully. So basically, they sent me a website. They sent me this website here. It's on them already. They sent me access to the code and to everything. And this is the website they sent me. And what we can take the website, they allow us, and just check the code to like our website. So you don't need to create everything from scratch. You can just create the code from this website and create and make the layout and the CSS be like our PSDs, like our new layout, and then make the content, insert the content of the new website. Take existing page and modify code and content later to look like ours. Let me show you our site. This here's ours, so you can kind of see we have a slideshow as well, and the menus in the upper right, and we got some text blocks here, a banner, some more text, and Google Maps in the footer. At the main, the header is always the same with the slideshow. So the slideshow is on all sub pages and so on. In the menu, we got the home page, a shop, which is an eBay shop integrated to the page. It should look like this here. But I do not have the content yet, so I'm not going to send you the eBay shop in video too, okay? You can, if you want to, you can take just a random eBay shop and try to integrate it just so you're sure you can integrate it. Okay, the third page, okay, the other menu pages are just text pages, and the last one is a contact page which looks like this here. Let me check it. Page. This is the contact page, so you got all the content from the PSD and a Google Maps. I'm going to send you Google Maps location later. This here is the login data for the CMS, and you can take a look around it. What you want to do when logging in, choose third field and choose English, so you got it in English, because otherwise it's in German. You just choose English before logging in. Let's get to the things I can tell you now already without the content I'm going to send you in the second video, because we don't have it yet. The first thing is about the slideshow. I listed it here for you. The thing is, first picture, we got it here. Then we got a link to an inner page, which is here. And then on the slideshow we have, oops, let me check that. Where is it? Oops. So on the slideshow we have a header and a subtext. And what you want to do is, this is the header, the first line, and the second line is the subtext. So you can just link to inner page this and this, and have the header there, and then the subtext there. And the picture, we haven't purchased them yet. I'm going to send them to you. If you can go to the link and try to just get the sample image, but if you can't, it doesn't matter. Yeah. Okay. Second picture, same thing. A link, main text, subtext, picture, and third picture as well. So we got 3 pictures for the slideshow. The logo, I'm going to send it to you later because we modified a little bit from the PSD. This here is the menu. Basically we got home, the eBay shop with all the subcategories, with all the categories as sub-navigational items. Sub-navigation, okay? And then we got this text page. Oops. This text page, sub-items, sub-items. Those 3 things are sub-items. Sub-items are text pages as well. So those 3 here are sub-items, okay? Then we got another main text page, going to send you the content later, and the last page is the contact page as on the PSD, which we discussed previously. We talked about the eBay shop, which I'm going to give you the data later in video 2. Let's just discuss the main page again, because this is a little bit different from a normal text page. What we got on the main page is 3 times a text with a link to an inner page. So at the top left, in the middle top, and at the bottom left we got 3 times text with a link. At the top right we got a banner. Let me check it. This is the banner which I'm going to send you. Let me prepare this. Yeah, actually we got the instructions here. Okay. And okay, and the 4th thing here in the top, in the middle bottom is just a list with check marks, and at the right bottom there is a Google Maps card, okay? So Google Maps and service listing with check marks, going to send you content. This is all happening in video 2, just be prepared for it. Okay, and then we got the goal, which is to yeah, basically that's basically the content of video 1, the instructions of video 1. The content for the site, I'm going to send it to you in video 2. So the goal for right now is to make the layout as our PSD, okay, like this here, and then create the inner pages so far. So you have the menu, you know what we're about to do, so create the inner pages, and in the next video, in video 2, I'm going to give you the eBay shop URL so you can set up the shop, and I'm going to give you the content of the pages. So yeah, I'm excited for doing this, and we'll make a great shop. And so yeah, and let's get right into it and start with the instructions and execution of video 1, so we can go right ahead and I'll send you video 2. So yeah, cool.